Hello everyone, you are watching And Then This Happened channel. This channel regularly upload videos on various such topics which are contemporarily being discussed over in the world. So if you like staying tuned with these topics, you may discover more at our channel playlist video section. But I would like to tell you, before watching any video, you must always remember that all the views are personal. Consequently, viewers' discretion is perfectly required. With around 24 countries, including India, reporting confirmed cases of the new coronavirus and WHO declaring a global health emergency, the emphasis across the world is on bolstering screening and quarantine facilities to not get caught napping later. The deaths numbering over 300 and around 15,000 infections reported worldwide, mostly in China, and the pneumonia-like symptoms recall the 2002-3 SARS outbreak. Unlike 17 years ago, when it was less connected and influential, China poses a tricky challenge today. Chinese tourist diaspora and entrepreneurs comprise a significant portions and proportion of international air travelers, complicating any decision to shut off borders and flights to China. But there are lessons to be learned from the Chinese experiences as countries beef up surveillance, treatment and prevention mechanism. More reports indicate that for several weeks after the first case was detected on December 1, Chinese authorities prioritized secrecy and public order over creating awareness. Despite the contagion spreading through Wuhan, other countries stand a better chance of isolating the virus through early action because suspected cases currently are few and far between. Though the new coronavirus mortality rate is just over 2%, unlike the 10% logged by SARS, it is more infectious and there is no clarity yet on whether it is mutating and turning more potent as it finds new hosts. Virologists now believe that the coronavirus incubating period is about 14 days, necessitating itself or institutional quarantine for that period. India must maintain a high state of vigil at airports, and state public health authorities must closely watch all those returning from China by compiling primary and secondary contact list of persons exposed to confirmed cases. Kerala had successfully contained Nipah in 2018. With Kerala already reporting 2 cases, this strategy must be replicated again. The challenge for health authorities is to communicate effectively and with empathy so that patients manifesting symptoms can access medical help without fearing stigma. In most parts of India, public health is in shambles and can hinder effective response to disease outbreaks. In this context, roping in private hospitals, all registered medical practitioners, and even ASHA workers, who are often the only point of contact between citizens and public healthcare in rural areas, becomes very important. Thank you.